Hi guys, in this video we will see how to fix error code 88. A write fault occurred on the network error net write fault on Windows 11 and Windows 10. If you are also facing such type of error code in your system, then here are the fixes, and the first workaround is go to Windows search and type cmd and open command prompt Windows, run as administrator mode. Open command prompt Windows, run as administrator mode, and in command prompt Windows execute the command sfc/scan now and press enter. It will scan your system for any corrupted or bad system files. Wait till 100% verification complete. Once successfully execution of sfc scan now command, don't forget to restart your system and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. The next one is right click on start button and choose device manager. In device manager windows, under available device driver, look for the driver having yellow color exclamation mark, means faulty device driver. Find out such type of faulty device driver, expand it and right click on driver and choose update driver. How do you want to search for drivers? Choose search automatically for drivers and let the window complete the updating process. Apply this method for all your faulty drivers having yellow color exclamation marks. And after that, check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, right click on a start button and choose run. In run command box, type rstrui and click on OK. This command will open restore system files and settings page. Perform a system restore. System restore can help fix problems that might be making your computer run slowly or stop responding. Choose next and here choose a restoration point. Restore your computer to the state it was in before the selected event. Choose automatic restore point or any other event and click on next. And finally, confirm your restore point. Your computer will be restored on the state it was in before the event in the description box. Click on finish and follow on screen instruction to complete the restoration process. After that, check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Open control panel in your system. Here under control panel item, go to the Windows Defender Firewall. Open it, or here from the left side, click on turn Windows Defender Firewall on or off. Temporarily disable your antivirus program. If you have installed any third-party antivirus, temporarily disable it. Turn off Windows Defender Firewall under private network as well as public network and click on OK. Once your problem is resolved, don't forget to turn on Windows Defender Firewall. And accordingly, your problem should be resolved. That's all.